2 rubber bands, the same size. Put them over your 2 fingers. Ask your assistant or person or volunteer to hold their fingers right here. As you're doing that, mix it up and twist your fingers like this. Try and do it as stealthy as you can. When you're done, say, "Did you feel it?" They will be totally shocked. It looks like it's together, but it's not. Quarter trick. You need 1 quarter for this trick. Put it in this hand. Put it right here. Put this hand over here. Flip it over. And do this. Your quarter will have been in this hand the whole time. Flip it over, like this. Slide the quarter into this palm. Close it. And show. It's gone. Next. Pencil trick. Get 1 pencil, simple pencil. Stick it up. Put it here now, just like that. Not now, seriously, woman. Anyway. Put your finger over this one. Like this. Slide it up. Make sure nobody sees it. Pull it out from your mouth. You do it in any kind of way. Just be like, cover up the pencil. Like that. End of the video. End of video. So, this is what all 3 tricks should look like. Don't let the audience see you of what you're doing. Just always focus on what you're doing, and that'll be pretty much it. Ignore my grandmother. She's been going in and out of my bedroom all day long. Bye.